Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct is excited about the new addition of passive distribution junction blocks from the brand Murrelektronik. Murr distribution junction blocks provide a convenient method for connecting sensors and actuators to the control cabinet. Murrelektronik supplies a comprehensive range of distribution blocks. They create optimum installations for any application and are cost-effective, reliable, and space-saving solutions. Murrelektronik blocks add M8 style connectivity as well as M12, 12-pin, and terminal block Homerun options. Murr junction blocks feature a 30mm wide footprint that saves space and offers flexible mounting options. Integrated, multicolored LED indicators make troubleshooting easy, and overmolded bodies provide vibration and environmental protection. The passive distribution blocks support 18 to 30.2 volts DC signals. Marking tags are included. The Murr distribution junction blocks are IP67 rated and UL and CE approved and have a 1-year warranty. Learn more by visiting AutomationDirect.com/junction-blocks. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.